Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Yok Boon. Today I'd like to share with you on how to pull all the data with multiple conditions. Okay, let's say we have this table and we have this condition here, and this is the result we want to give. Let's say I put here I lead and all the lead come here, right? So let's say I put another one here, iron, so the iron also come here. Then I put another one here, copper, so the copper also come here. Then let's say I put another zinc. Okay, so that means it's all come here. That means this is called multiple condition, right? Okay, so how to do this? We come here. Okay, so that means we set up the same table here, then the query table here, then with the list here. So for the validation list here, I only use the there you see validation. So it's a list. I type in lead, zinc, iron, copper. Okay. So for the bottom one, we just copy down only. Okay. Then we have the whole list already. Okay. Okay. So to start with, let's say we choose one, maybe lead. Okay. Okay. So that means we want to find this in here. Okay, let's say we start here. Okay, we start here. Then we put equal. We lookup. Lookup for the metal one. Lookup for this row. It must be same row. Okay, comma in this range. Okay, then this range we log it. Okay, then the column is 1, then 0 exact. Okay, we enter. Okay, we have left. Okay, let's say we copy down and see. So we got this, all got error one. Okay, never mind. That one is so. To clear this error, we put if, then we put is and a. Is and a. If let's say this VLOOKUP result is and a, we want 0, comma 0. Then if true, if not, then we put 1. Okay, so let's say okay. So once we have this, we want to find the one, the row position. So we just click again here. If this just now the VLOOKUP, the 1 equal to 1, then we want the row number. Okay, comma, if not, give blank. Okay, so we have all this number already. I mean the last one, you see, number 2, number 4, number 7, and number 11. Okay, so we already pinpoint all the row number. So this one we need to compress it, so we use equal small this array, we log it, then comma, we want the smaller, so it should be 1. So instead of putting 1, we put row. Okay, so now we are row number 2, so we must minus 1. Okay, that means it becomes the smallest. So enter. Okay, so it's 2. Okay, that means this one, if let's say I copy down, I got error here, so to put there I have to put if error blank. Okay, this is called blanking. Okay, so now we have this already. So how we going to pull all the data here? Okay, we use an offset function. So it equal offset. Offset this one A1. Okay, then we log it. Okay, so A1, that means this one we click here, offset this one. Okay, so the row one is offset 2. So once we put 2 offset, it become 3. So we have to minus 1. Okay. Okay. So for the column, we don't want to offset, so we put 0. Okay. We close the thing. That means the height and the width one is optional. So we just close the gun. Okay, so we have might. Okay, so if let's say I copy this, I want to copy this because the M is not fixed. If I copy to this, the M will run to N. So I have to lock the M, but not the 2. So I use F4 key, toggle it, then I lock the M already. Okay, let's say I copy now and copy here. So, okay, so that means you see this one didn't change, then there's error here. So we solve the error first. We put if error give blank. Okay, so that means this one, but see this one column we put 0. So for H we put 0. So I we must put 1, J we must put 2. So that means to make it dynamic, we must know the column is H. H is number 8. So we use column minus 8. Okay, that means column minus 8. That means at H, 8 minus 8 should be 0. Okay, and we enter. Okay, then we no error already, and we go here, and we have this, because this one is column 9 minus 8 is 1, so offset 1. It's true, no? Then offset by 1 is here, offset by 2 is quantity, so it's all here. Okay, that's how we create this. Then if let's say I change here zinc, okay, I put here copper, then I can put here, and I can delete. So I got all the answer. Okay, that means this one we don't want people to see, we just hide it. Okay, then we have all the query out from all the random data here with multiple query. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.